Let's say we're trying to create a new page based on this Macbeth page. In Notion, rather than copy and paste, you copy and synchronize. So synchronize everything, and just to give it different names, so it's easier to tell them apart. New post. And we can open both pages side by side. Here, although they look the same, but there are two different pages, two different documents. And they're connected in the sense that if I decide to change the navigation bar to a different color here, and the other changes as well, right? Not only in terms of style, but also content. For example, I want to have a new link here, new link, and the other updates also. If I want to drag something, a new image in one, the image will go in the other. Of course, we can selectively unsynchronize specific part. For example, the content should be different. So we just unsync, we just go in there and unsync the content. Now the content could be something different, while the rest of the document is still synchronized. So yeah, so that's synchronization in Notion.